Another day, another review. It's your friendly neighborhood Duckager here for another G Fuel review. You might notice that I am finally in my new office. I think this is actually the very first video where you guys have this kind of POV of the office. I've been streaming over on Twitch, so some of you guys over there probably have already seen this. But for those of you who only watch the YouTube videos, welcome and come to my streams. Why aren't you coming to my stream? Hopefully you guys like it. I'm gonna do a couple more little things to the room, but it's mostly done. I have a moving vlog you can check out as well. But today is about G Fuel. I believe it was about a month ago that we got the Crash Bandicoot inspired Wumpa Fruit GFUEL flavor. It was a very solid flavor. It was like a mixture between like golden apple pear and some star fruit. Had a very consistent, sweet, tangy taste to it. I was a fan, needless to say. And today we're going one step further. We're drinking it inside of a can. Inside of this box right here, I have 4 of the brand new Wumpa Fruit GFUEL cans. Now with GFUEL cans over the course of the last year or so, I've ended up liking a lot of them more than their powder counterparts. So this has a lot to live up to. We're gonna get right into it, but before we do, I want to mention that if you like what you see here today, or you want to try anything from G Fuel in general, you can pick all of this up using code DUCK to save some money. If you type in code DUCK as you check out, you save between 10 and 30%. It helps me out as a content creator and it saves you guys a ton of money. So do it now. Let's open this box. So if you're new around here, you aren't familiar, we don't open boxes normally. We play this little game I like to call Guess the Item I'm about to open the box with. That is a tongue twister every single time. We have 3 items. One of them will open this box. I'm gonna present you with the items. You have 5 seconds to comment down below which you think I'm actually gonna open the box with. So will this box be opened with A cat toy? My roommate's cat is evil, by the way. Will it be B, the spatula? We haven't used this yet to do anything, so I figured I would open a box with it maybe. Or will it be C, my mind? Do you know how big this brain is? It's big. Will I look at this box and cause it to open? You have to decide for yourself. You got 5 seconds to comment down below what you think I'm gonna open the box with, starting now. Guess I probably guessed this. Probably saw it coming. I've trained my brain too much for this moment just to let it pass. Just gotta focus on it. It's almost there. A little bit more. Oh, there. Hey. Oh, wow. We got a bright orange look right out the top. Top down, that looking bright. Just like my future. If you subscribe to the channel. Here we go. This is a brand new Wumpa Fruit GFUEL can. Take a look at that. Like a nice purple and orange colorway all the way throughout with Crash on the side, obviously for the new Crash game. Some Wumpa Fruits in his hands, which is a mixture between mangoes and apple. But I think this is a super cool design. It looks good. Smells good. Feels cold. Last thing to do is to try it out. Everybody please be quiet. It's a nice pop. It's got a very heavy mango scent as soon as you crack it open. It's a pretty sweet smell, but it's got a pretty tangy element to it. All these cans are usually clear, and this liquid is no different. Clear all the way throughout. Hey, you can kind of see my mouth through the reflection. It looks good, smells good, the artwork is great. Let's go ahead and cheers together on the screen, and let's give this Wumpa Fruit flavor a try. Here we go. Ooh, wow, really good. These most recent cans have been so much better than their powder counterparts just because of how strong they are in flavor. Like this flavor and so many others that have come before it just punch you in the face with how powerful it is. And some powder flavors seem to require you to put extra powder in to get a nice solid flavor. But for the cans all the way throughout, the carbonation's nice for me, obviously. I think what I taste more than anything is the mango in this. I remember when I tasted the powder, there was a strong presence of like the golden apple flavor, but this both smells and tastes a lot more like mango to me. In terms of sweetness and sourness, I think it would fall more on the side of sour than it does sweet. I think it actually starts pretty sour and kind of ends off on like a sweet tone in the back of your tongue. Imagine like a roller coaster like on the tongue, super sour and then sweet. So the experience for me is I take a sip, it's a big roar of this tart flavor, and once it goes down, I'm left with the aftertaste of just like a nice sweet mango. I don't know why this is. I haven't heard anybody say this before, but it kind of reminds me a little bit of Fazeberry for some reason right now. Like not only am I tasting mango, but I'm tasting a little bit of a berry present for some reason. It tastes different out of a glass. Nope, same drink. I think it's pretty good. The artwork is literally insane. These collaborations G Fuel does are literally the best. Can't wait to see what they're gonna do in 2021, but they've worked with Sonic and Crash Bandicoot and Resident Evil. So much has been done this last year. This is a cool can. I think out of 10 for a can, I would give this one like a solid 7 out of 10. It's not my top favorite out of all the different cans, but I think it's got a nice flavor. So I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. I'm curious to know what you guys are gonna think about this can. They are out now for purchase. You can get them in 4 packs or 12, or you can get anything else from G Fuel's website using my code. I have a ton of new videos coming for you guys soon. I just started a new reaction channel. I stream every single day of the week. There's a lot of stuff going on in the land of Duckager, and I'm so very glad to have you guys a part of the community to watch it all. So cheers to that. Very good experience. A single clap for G Fuel today. Nice, I dented the can. Yeah, that's just about everything for me. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did and you don't mind doing so, go ahead and drop a sub like. That's a subscribe, a like, and a comment, and I will see you in the next video.